Let's take a look at some of the flood levee system boxes and see some of the ways they are put together. Now that's the picture of the boxes, right there. By adding an inner wall, you can pull concrete inside of the inner wall to give added strength in front and back of the section. This is what's meant by saying using other materials. Built using 100% plastic, concrete, aluminum, steel, wood, built using any shape, built using any combination of choice. Once cube or the sections are in place, you pour mud into the cubes. Mud flows through sides openings to the next boxes and comes out of the bottom, forming a mud levee protected by a box barrier. Box has no bottom. That's what I'm trying to tell you. You can clearly see it has no bottom. Pour mud inside the cube of the section. Mud builds up and out through round openings and form a continuous mud levee that can be easily kept up. In water areas, use spud bars to pump mud from the bottom. On land areas, use trucks to haul mud into cubes of the section. Also, you can use barges, helicopters, trucks, and marsh buggies to set cubes and sections in place. Holes allow mud to flow through from one box to another. Fill inside boxes with mud or sand. Forms a continuous armored barrier mud levee protection system. Provide protection from storm surges and everyday erosion. Boxes joined together, forming a continuous mud levee. Holes cut out top and bottom for pilings or pipes to pass through each corner of the box. Internal pipe guides for pilings and pipe to pass through each corner of the box. Interlocking devices to connect each box together. Pipes or pilings are driven into the bottom to secure box sections against storm surges. Boxes adjust to land loss by sliding down pipes or pilings. Add another box on top to regain original height. Look at the top view. This is a locking section. Say your pilings and your pipe driven down at the bottom. That's your locking device. Then you pour your mud. Now you got your mud levee system. These are the boxes are built exactly the same. Very cost effective. Holes allow mud to flow through from one box to another. Boxes has no bottom. I can't emphasize that enough. It has no bottom. By adding an inner wall along the inside of the front and back of the boxes, this gives added strength. Adding concrete inside of inner walls would give even stronger protection against storm surges. Strengthening in the front and back of the cubes. Adding inner walls, optional. Just to pour your mud. Here you have the erosion sequence. In other words, the outer steel plate would have to erode, then the concrete, inner steel plate, then the mud, inner plate, concrete, and outer. Now you got 7 walls of protection now. Show you a little example. You see, that's where your concrete's at. It can break up or whatever. It's contained within the sides of the boxes. This is your concrete contained between the inner walls.